Forex trading is actually very hard if you don't understand the basics. But once you understand the basics, you will come to realize that it's a very simple business and very easy work to do. In this video, I'm going to teach you what Forex trading is actually is. As a beginner, let's get to the what? Let's get to the video. What is Forex trading? Forex trading means foreign exchange, right? What are we doing inside the foreign exchange? What is the work that we are doing inside, right? Inside the company. We are actually trading currencies. We are trading the countries' currencies, right? The international countries with strong economics, we are trading their currencies. That's the meaning of what? Forex trading. Let me give you this, for example, this illustration, right? You are in the United States and you want to go to Japan, right? And you go to the airport. When you reach to the airport, they tell you that for you to go to Japan, you have to exchange your $1 to Japanese yen, right? And your $1 is 100 yen. And in your mind, you're going to think, oh, I'm going to be rich, I now have 100 yen. I'm now going to save a lot of money for myself, right? And by the time you reach in Japan, you realize that half of your money is gone, right? That is Forex trading. That's what Forex trading actually means. And how traders make money? They make money due to the exchanges in the value, right? Exchanges in the value. For example, when you are going to Japan, $100 is 100 yen. And by the time you're coming back from Japan to United States, now $1 is now 150 yen is now $1, right? Those exchanges, how the value of the currencies they are changing themselves, is how you make money as a what? As a trader. Forex trading works actually by buying one currency and selling another currency. And also in Forex trading, we are trading in pairs, right? The word pairs means that two countries' economy, right? We call them pairs. Two country economy. For example, Euro USD, right? Euro has its own economy and United States has its own economy. And in Forex trading, we are trading them what? In pairs. Example of the currencies pair. There are very many, right? But I just want to give you this simple and pure currencies for what? For examples, I said for you to understand, right? Number one is Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD JPY. There's a video I'm going to teach you about currencies pair, but right here I just want to give you what? Pure example so that you will understand, right? That in forex trading we are actually trading in what? In pairs. Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY. Buy and sell. When you buy, means prices are going what? Are going up, right? When you buy, actually means when prices are going up, and when you sell is when prices are going what? Are going down, right? In forex trading, we are profiting in two ways. We are profiting when we buy, and we are profiting when we sell. That's why in forex trading, it has a lot of opportunities for you to make money, right? Because when you buy, you can make money, and when you sell, you can make money. And buying simply means that, for example, in Euro USD, what does buying means? Buy means that when Euro economy is stronger than the one of United States, you can place what? Buy. And when you want to sell, what does sell mean? Sell means that, for example, in Euro USD, when the economy of euro is weak compared to the one of United States, then you can place what? You can place sell, right? And you can profit from both directions, from buy and from sell. Goal, right? You have to know if I'm buying, for example, where can I buy? And if I'm selling, where can I sell? Like here, let me give you this one, this example. I'm giving you example so that you will understand very fast as a beginner, right? Because I cannot just explain them, right? In a very, like someone who has experience already. I want to teach you slowly by slowly so that you will understand. If I'm buying, right, I'm meaning that the economy of United States, right, of United States is stronger than the one of Europe. What, right? I can place a buy here, here, some here. I'm betting that what? That the economy of United States will be stronger than the one of Europe. This is buy, and we say buy low. We buy somewhere low. And if we are selling, we sell high. Sell high simply means that when the economy of Europe is weak compared to the one of United States, right? We sell what? We place a sell here, which is sell high, right? That's it. Forex market open 24 hours a day, and it operates 5 days in a week. So you can trade anywhere in the world, in any place, any direction, and in any location, right? And that's why, and that's because Forex trading is a global what? It's a global business. It's a global company. Why do people trade Forex? Number one is profit opportunity. The main reason why a lot of people come to Forex trading is because of profit opportunity, right? Actually, people come to Forex trading with a different reason, but the main one is profit opportunity, right? And Forex trading offers a safe place for profit opportunity. You can make profit in any direction when the economics of countries are strong and when the economics of country they are weak. You can make money, right? And it's also what? A global market, meaning anyone in the world can trade this market. Whether you are in anywhere in the world, you can trade this market as long as you have the skill and the knowledge, right? And it's also online access. This makes it very easy for people to access because it is an online access, right? It's not like other businesses, and also the requirement they are not that hard, right? For example, if let me say if you have internet connection, you have a phone and computer, you can start trading, right? Not like other businesses like stock market. A stock market is actually good, but the requirements for you to enter or to trade are very hard, right? In forex trading, it's not far from negatives, from risks, right? There are risks in this business. Number one risk is prices changes very fast. Because prices changes very fast, it can you can make losses, right? The changing of prices can either give you profit or give you a loss, right? And what causes the prices to change is because of liquidity, right? If there are many people, when there are many people trading, at that time when you are trading, by the time you'll be trading, right, you'll find that there are times when many people are actually trading and you see the prices, they are moving very fast. That will create what? Liquidity. It's because of the liquidity. The word liquidity is created by the people who are what? Who are trading. Actually means that they are putting a lot of money into what? Into forex trading. losses are possible. Let me tell you this. Losses in this game can be managed, right? The difference between a person who knows how to trade Forex and a person who does not know how to trade Forex is that when losses come to a person who does not know how to trade Forex, he begins to complain, speaking every unnecessary words, right? But when losses come to someone who knows how to trade, he will just stay patient and he will tell himself that losses are possible and they can be managed, right? What gives you more wins or more success in this business is that you're winning way more than you're losing. That's the only way you can overcome losses. There's no another way that you can overcome losses than winning more trades, right? Because losses in this game, they are possible, they are must. Everyone loses. But when you compare, your winning trades will be higher than your losing what? Than your losing trade. As a beginner, the first tips are start with a demo, right? What is demo? Demo actually means that fake money, right? Fake money, you'll be trading fake money in Forex market while other people will be trading real money, right? The reason for this is because you first have to start by building your skill, your knowledge, right? Because when you trade with demo, right? There are certain mistakes that you can make with when you're trading demo. Those mistakes, what you can learn from them can be very important than when you're trading real money. Because any money that has entered the market, they cannot be brought back. Therefore, first trade with demo to improve your skills and your knowledge and also to gain what? Experience. Then after when you're done with demo, then you can go to what? To real account. You can put real money. Live what? It's called live account, right? Where you trade real money, right? First start with a demo to improve your skill and your knowledge. Second is learn. Learning is very important. You want to go far in this business, make sure put learning in place, right? Don't just learn and begin to rush, right? You learn now and you rush wanting to make money very fast, very fast. No, it doesn't work like this. In this game, let me tell you this, Forex trading market is designed to confuse people. And when you rush, you will actually get confused, right? What you have to do is take it slowly, step by step, keep learning, right? Keep learning. What will give you higher and greater success in this game is learning, right? When you put learning first, you will go higher and higher. Do not rush, take it slowly, step by step. What you don't know, you keep learning, right? Yeah. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment, and see you in the next one. If you're interested in Forex trading, in this channel, I'm going to teach you Forex trading, everything that you need to know about Forex trading in a simple, because let me tell you this, Forex trading is not about knowing more. It's about knowing the right thing and doing the right thing. Thank you guys. See you in the next one.